Hi, I'm Anthony, and today I'm going to introduce you to the Pacific Blue Ultra 4-roll cordless high-capacity toilet paper dispenser by GP Pro. Cost considerations are important to every business. Universal JBT solutions do tend to be the cheapest option, but what many decision makers don't factor in is how much product is being wasted, going unused, or simply getting thrown in the trash. Replacing refills early is wasteful. 71% of facilities with JBT systems report replacing rolls before they're empty. This means most businesses opting for JBT solution are essentially throwing money directly into the trash. This is why Pacific Blue Ultra cordless solutions can actually deliver cost in use savings by reducing waste. By using 99% of toilet paper loaded into the dispenser, product waste is at a minimum, which means you're throwing less cash into the trash. If your business aims to save on costs, operate more sustainably, reduce waste, and provide a better, more hygienic experience to your staff and customers, or if you're simply seeking to lower maintenance solutions that free up time for more important tasks. Upgrading from a standard JBT restroom solution to the Pacific Blue Ultra 4-roll cordless high-capacity toilet paper dispenser by GP Pro might be the solution for you.